Find the mean and median of the data set, the numbers 12, 14, 16, 17, 18, and 20. Once again, we're going to be looking for the mean and the median of the data set 12, 14, 16, 17, 18, and 20. So let's take a look at this, see how it looks, stack it out on paper here. First of all, what do these words mean? Some people think they mean the same thing, and that's not true. That's not true. The mean is the average. In other words, we add all 6 digits here, all 6 numbers up, and then we divide by 6, all right? The median is where's the middle? Which number is in the middle, and we work it from there, all right? So let's take a look first of all, and let's work out the mean. The mean says, as I said, we're going to add 12 plus 14 plus our 16 plus 17 plus 18 plus 20, all right? And we're going to add those together, and then we're going to divide that whole business by 6, all right? And if you look at that, if you look at those things, you say, well, Ernie, what are they going to add up to? Well, quickly, we'll run through that. I believe they're going to add up to 97, all right? We get the calculator real quick. Let's see what we've got there. And let's see, we've got the numbers 12. I'm going to see if I'm right on this, okay? Add 14, add 16, think of there, add 17, we'll hit 18, and then we add 20. And I'm hoping for 97. That's what it said it was going to be. It's 97, all right? So we're going to take 97, and we're going to divide that by 6. Now, that goes in there 16 times with 1 left over, all right? So when I divide 6 into 97, it is actually going to go 16 times, and we have 1 left over. And you say, Ernie, what are we to do with that? Well, you got a couple of places to go. We could make that 16 and 1/6. That's cool. We could say it's got a remainder of 1, but when we're talking about means and medians, we don't really get into remainders. We want to get it to either a fraction or to a decimal. So let's play the decimal out here. Let's put a 0 on there. And you know what? Bring the 0 down. It's going to go 1 time. At least move 6. And now I've got 4. And there's something magical happening when we put another 0 down there. We're going to say 6 going into 40 goes 6 times. And you know what? That's 36. We got a 4 again. It's starting to repeat. It's starting to repeat. Now, some of you get really excited because you say, oh, there's 16 and there's 16, so do we put a bar over the 1 and the 6? No. Teaching moment here, all right? This is only repeating when we get to the 6, all right? So here it is. Just so happens 16 was the number that let us in there. And so we have to put a bar over that. If you wanted to round it off to, it's approximately, about 16 and 17/100ths. That's rounded off to. And if you want to do the nearest tenth, it'd be 16 and 2/10, all right? But that little bar over it means the 6 keeps repeating and repeating. The 1 doesn't, but the 6 certainly does, all right? So again, a great little Mathline problem of the day. We need to go back to that just a second, guys. I've got to get the median. Haven't done the median yet. Sorry about that. Let me have that bottom third out just a second, all right? The median is a little bit easier here. We've got to spread these numbers out. We got 12, 14, 16, 17, 18, and 20, all right? Now, the middle, where is the middle? Well, these are in order. First of all, you got to make sure they're in order. These were nice that were put in order for us to begin with. But the middle is somewhere between 16 and 17. It's actually 16 plus 17, and we'll divide that by 2. And you know what that gives us? That gives us 16 and 1/2, or 16 and 5/10. So there's your final solution for the median. Notice they are not the same answer. One's a little bit less. The mean looks a little bit smaller here, but that's the deal. That's the deal. So they don't always work out to be the same, but that's how you deal with it. You go for the middle for the median, and you go for the average on the mean. Okay.
For more math help, visit TNLearn.org.